Now to round it out, we have the C buying style. And this guy, he's the avatar of a C buying style in my mind. He's put together, he's business, he's got his planner out, he's focused, he's got a checklist, he knows what he's doing, he's got a plan, he's going to execute on the plan. It's going to be step by step, and that's how he gets stuff done. And so that's what the C buying style looks like in my mind. He's analytical, he's serious, he's conscientious, he's intuitive, and he's orderly. So how does this style buy products? And here's something. I've coached some C buying styles, and here's a telltale sign of a C style person is if you ask them a question and they just answer the question, they may be a C style buyer. There's not commentary. There's not a bunch of background like an I or an S. They're to the point and very to the point. And if you don't ask a question, they won't respond. So they're the friend that you can't just send a text and assume that it's kind of a question. You'll get a response that like, oh, okay, great. You have to say, thanks. Hey, would you let me know that you got this? And then they'll respond. So different styles, different people. Okay. So how do they buy products? They buy products based on proven ability, product warranties, comparisons, and information available. They are going to read every Google review before they buy the book or the new Kindle or whatever they buy. Okay. And so they're looking for product warranties. What can you provide them in that way to help them out? So what I want you to do, begin to build the avatar. Okay. We're going to get really deep into navigating to the buying styles here in just a minute, but build that avatar. Think of a friend or family member, someone you engage with a lot that fits that mold. They're analytical, serious, conscientious, intuitive, and orderly, and build that avatar so that you can have a frame of reference when you're talking to people. You don't have to be worried. You don't have to be concerned. Hey, they're different than me. Oh my gosh. No. Just think, hey, I'm just talking to my friend Bill. This is just like talking to Bill. Okay. And I talk to him like I talk to Bill, and it's not a big deal. And I just have to be aware of what I'm doing based on your personality style. Okay. Build that avatar and go for it. Talk to you soon.